Hi everyone, we got another request from a parent. It says here, "Hi, can someone help me with this P5 math question? Thank you so much." Let's begin. Ravi is 11 years old. Devi is 5 years older than Ravi. In how many years' time will their total age be 43 years? Since we are comparing here the age of Ravi and Devi, we can start with a comparison model. So we'll start with a straight line and the labels R and D on the left side. So for Ravi's bar, we will draw a short bar and label that 11 because Ravi is 11 years old. The next sentence says Devi is 5 years older than Ravi. So that means when I draw Devi's bar, it has to be longer than Ravi's bar. Then we will label the difference between the bars of Ravi and Devi 5. This is because, once again, we mentioned that Devi is 5 years older than Ravi. Notice that the size of Ravi's bar is the same as the size of that longer part of Devi's bar that I marked yellow. So we can also label that yellow part of Devi's bar 11. Now we can get the age of Devi by simply getting the sum of 11 and 5. 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. Therefore, Devi is 16 years old. The question for this word problem is, in how many years' time will their total age be 43 years? Here we can see that we're not just talking about the current ages of Ravi and Devi, but we are also talking about their ages in blank years' time. So we need to use the before and after model here. We have already drawn our before model, which I labeled now because those represent the current ages of Ravi and Devi. So let's now draw the after model. The question is, in how many years' time will their total age be 43 years? Let's first represent the unknown here in the problem, which is the number of years that have passed. So we're going to draw two equal bars there for Ravi and Devi and mark them question mark. But we're not finished yet. Since those bars that we have drawn earlier that are marked with the question mark represent only the number of years that have passed, we still need to include their current ages in the after model. So I put there a box labeled 11 for Ravi, and then a longer one, that's labeled 16 for Devi. Now, these bars represent their ages after blank number of years. Their total age will be 43 years after blank number of years, so we are going to draw a bracket on the side which covers both Ravi and Devi's after bar, and then we will label that 43. Now let's take a look at our after model. This means that the two bars marked with a question mark plus the 11 and 16 make 43. So let's compute this. First, we need to get the sum of 11 and 16, and the answer is 27. Then we take away 27 from the total, which is 43, and the answer is 16. This means that the two bars that we have marked question mark in the after model, which I now colored yellow here, are equal to 16. To get what one unit or one yellow bar is equal to, we need to divide 16 by 2, and the answer is 8. Now we can label the two yellow boxes 8. Therefore, their total age will be 43 years in 8 years' time. I hope this video helped you understand how to solve age word problems like this using the bar model method. If you feel like your children or your students need more drills, I have the perfect book for you. This is the Singapore Math Bar Model Method from beginner to advanced level. What is so good about this book is that it has QR codes that you can scan that will lead you to videos of the discussion of the word problem examples and the answers to the practice exercises and chapter tests. So, if you want to purchase this book, all you have to do is to scan the QR code right here. We also have the bar model method on demand webinar for teachers and parents. These are for teachers and parents who want to learn more about the bar model method and how it can help and empower your children in solving word problems. So, what we will cover here are the addition and subtraction, multiplication and division bar models. We will be solving one step, two step, and multi step word problems. Also, I'll be answering some frequently asked questions about the bar model method. So, if you're interested and you want to enroll, simply scan the QR code that we have here. There you have it. I hope to see you in our next video. Have a good day. Bye.